Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video we are going to discuss a difference between COUNTIF and COUNTIFS formula in Excel. We have provided this practice workbook link in our description box. You can go ahead and download and practice yourself. Become to practice and try yourself. Let's start with the session. So today we have the total number of rows we have is 244, and I'm going to start with the first function or the formula, which is my COUNTIF. While typing the COUNTIF, the description says counts the number of cells within the range that meet the given condition, which means it will count the number of cells in the range or any particular selected number of row item. It will count based on the condition is met. It is basically a combination of count function and if function. So I have to give the range. So I am giving the range is region because we have to take the value for the region, which is east and west. Lock the column and select the criteria, which is east. Close the bracket and hit enter. We will get the value of east, and now press Ctrl D. So this sum total will be my 244, which is satisfying my whole number. So this is how the COUNTIF function works. Let's move to the second one, which is my COUNTIFS function. Let's type COUNTIFS, and it also says counts the number of cells specified with a given set of conditions or criteria, which means multiple criteria can be given into COUNTIFS. So my criteria range is first one is the range, and second one which I am going to give is city. Sorry, we have to give the criteria, so I am giving the criteria as east, and now we have to give the criteria range 2. So my criteria range 2 is city, lock it, and my criteria is Boston. So ideally, which means this formula says if a region is east and city is Boston, what is the count? If it is west, Los Angeles, what is my count? This is how this particular formula will work. It will check the combination of criteria range for the first and the second and third. We can give multiple number of conditions based on our requirement. So as of now, I have taken the region and city, and closing the bracket, hit enter. So we got 88 as result for east and Boston, and if I fill down, we got the value for each and every city along with that region. So the total sum of 244 is available over here. So this is how COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function is working. If you have any doubt in this video, please reach out to us. We will happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.